Balloon popping. We all know that this can be so much fun for kids. So this green screen is an open-ended balloon popping game where we're popping the balloons with a tack, and it's open-ended, and you will see what I mean by that. So we have 3 balloons here filled with water. So we're going to pop the first one, and we get our big payoff first, which is, this big bam. We're so wet, gross. We made a huge puddle here. And we have to keep picking our words and our targets out of our puddle until the puddle gets smaller and smaller and smaller and is gone, and we can pop the next balloon. So I'll show you kind of what I would do with this. So we popped our first balloon and we're going to pop our second balloon. Here's the payoff for the child and the big reward. Oh, we're so wet. Now I can decide how many targets and cards I have in here. So it can be language cards, it can be our tick cards. I put in here multi-syllable words, so I might show my child the helicopter, clap it out, helicopter, how many parts. I can maybe make the child do 5 of them before my puddle gets smaller, and then there's more stuff in here, we have to pull it out. We have a flower, how many parts in flower? Oh, is there more? Oh, there's more. We're gonna pull out our last one. Elephant, clap it out, you get the point until our water disappears. And then we can pop our next balloon. So you can see that you get to pick however many trials you want. You can keep going again and again and again, gauging your client's participation and engagement before you move on to a smaller puddle size, or the puddles are gone altogether, and then you get to go on to popping the next balloon. So all you need is a green screen, this resource, and you're also going to need a magic pocket, which I will show you right now. Okay everyone, so the magic pocket is actually just a piece of felt that sticks on your felt green screen. It can be any size, so this is a small one that I have, but I also have a medium-sized one and a bigger one, and you just need to stick it up with Velcro and then put your targets inside of it. So I've got some targets here, let's say these ones here, but I might choose bigger ones actually if I'm working with a child so that they can see it a little bit more, but this is for demo purposes. So I might stick it in here, and then that's what I'm pulling out of when I am pulling out my targets out of the puddles.